Business owners, entrepreneurs, thank you so much for joining me. Today, we have a very special guest here on the Local Broker Insider, where normally I try to break down, give you business owners information on business funding, options that you have to be able to help move and get your company from where it is to where you want it to be. And today I have a very special guest that can help you do just that. She is the owner of Easy Abundance Capital, Miss Deborah. We've been working together for the last 2 months. I've gotten the honor of getting to know you as a person, as a loan broker. So, how are you doing today? How's life over in Spokane, Washington?
Hi, thank you for having me. Life has been good and everything is going well. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
No, thank you for taking the time to really get your business up and going because like I mentioned, we're working together. We've been kind of taking on a couple of projects together. We're kind of peeling back the layers to the onion that is business financing. So before we start getting too deep into the weeds, let's start at the beginning. How did your journey into the alternative finance space, becoming a business loan consultant, how did that start?
Yeah, that's a good question. My journey began like some years ago because I've been a business owner myself and I've experienced some struggle with my business because of finances. So I was looking for ways I can like expand my business, grow my business. I try banking option, and because I was just starting up those businesses, I didn't have more option with the bank, so I kind of looked for other way, and I saw alternative lending. I was like, wow, this is a great way. So I have a passion to help other business owners because it's going to be a pleasure of mine to see every other small business owners strive and expand their business instead of getting out of business in 2 or 3 years after they establish their business because of finance. So I get into this business because I'm looking for a way to help other business owners grow their business. So it's been a passion of mine to help other business owners to grow their business and get fund whenever they need it.
Oh, that's phenomenal. So within, I've been in the space for, I don't know, going on 3 years, right? So there's like a plethora of different options that brokers have, loan consultants have to be able to offer solutions to their clients. So is there a specific industry that Easy Abundance Capital specializes in, or are you guys more of a like a one size fits all type brokerage?
Um, Currently we're focusing on medical field, and that's what we plan on focusing in the future too, because we want to help people in the medical field, we want to specialize in the medical field so we can be able to help them personally to get loan whenever they need it. Instead, right now we just focus on the medical side of the business. We are only helping medical professionals right now.
Very good, very good. So you mentioned earlier that you were a business owner, right? And one of the difficulties that you had as a business owner was getting business funding. So now that you're, live and making waves out in Spokane, Washington, is there a specific offer, a specific, what makes Easy Abundance Capital different from really any other brokerage in the nation? Why should people come to you being in the medical industry?
Yeah, so at Easy Abundance Capital, we focus on personalized program because we know each business, their financial situation is different. So we focus on tailored and focused um, offer and strategy to help each business that we're able to help. we're able to like focus on their needs instead of giving them general option. We make sure our approach and our solution to them is personalized based on their on what they need and how we can help them.
Okay, is there something unique that Easy Abundance Capital does that most other brokers won't even do outside of personalized attention?
So we look deep into our clients' problem, we look into their pain points, and we focus our attention in helping them. Our attention is not on like maybe the commission we can get when we help them, but our attention is like helping them. Maybe if we have a client that have bad credit, we help them fix their credit for free, and we make sure they get their loan on time. We streamline our process and our approach of helping our clients. We really
Very,
take
that it's an interesting scenario there that you just painted. You help people get from where they are to where they want to be in an effective, timely manner that actually has a long-term plan associated with it instead of just being the typical broker that comes in and tries to, really sell you on a loan that may or may not actually be a fit for their client because the broker is 100% invested in trying to collect the commission behind that loan. So that's a huge difference. That is what makes a client feel like a client and not necessarily like a transaction. So I applaud you for kind of taking that initiative, taking that approach. Is there a recent success story that you can kind of go through that kind of exemplifies that value that you would provide as a business loan consultant?
Yes. So recently we changed the way we reach out our marketing outreach to our client. So our marketing information message is able to like reach our client to is able to reach our client, is able to explain how we can help them. So with our recent change in our marketing message, we're able to get several business owners reaching out to us because they need the help we can provide for them. We're able to speak directly to their pain point and we're able to help them.
So one of the, I guess, kind of the key strengths, if I'm understanding you correctly, the one of the main reasons why a medical provider, whether you're in Spokane or whether you're in Atlanta, New York, Florida, wherever in the nation you are, if you're a medical provider, you're watching this, and you happen to have less than perfect credit, what Deborah's telling you is that she will take you by the hand, make sure you get the capital that you qualify for right now, plus she'll also fix your credit for free. Like, if that is a message that I'm telling you folks, whether you're even in the medical industry or even if you're outside of that industry, if you're not in Deborah's target market, I'm telling you it's worth the at least the exploration to pick up the phone and contact her in order to see what advice she would have for you to be able to build your business in a manner that is, again, kind of projected long term, as opposed to right here right now. I'm a broker. I need my commission. Just sign the documents on the dotted line and move on. So, what pain point, Deborah, do you think Easy Abundance Capital addresses better than any other broker? Is there, you mentioned that you just changed your outreach message. So, where were you before you changed that outreach message, and where are you now? So like, how many more people are reaching out to you as opposed to what they were before?
So previously, before we change our marketing message, um we barely get anyone reaching out to us. We have to like run after them. But now that we actually talking to them, we're actually talking to the problem they have, like we are able to like speak to them directly to fix whatever problem they're facing. We're able to get at least 5 people in a week to reach out to us.
Five, so you
And
went from zero to
so
weekly
far,
now talking to five different brand new people every single week.
yes, because we're able to speak directly to what they need. We're not just speaking generally to everybody. We're able to speak directly to their problem and we're
Wow.
able to
So,
help.
okay, business owners, like, okay, listen to what she's telling you. Like, oh, outside of being a broker, right? Like, outside of trying to help people get business loan consulting, this is just overall a great message for businesses in general. What she's telling you is that she just made a couple of small tweaks to her marketing message, and her outreach, her organic outreach, has just literally gone from 0 to 5, which doesn't sound like a lot. But when you are scraping, when you're a small business owner and you're trying to come up with not only just leads in general, but long lasting relationships with clients, to go from 0 to 5 is a 500% increase. Like, that's almost mind blowing. Like 500% increase in your outreach, or you're actually, it's not even outreach. People are coming to you. Like, people are picking up the phone and saying, "Hey, what Deborah just said really resounds with me. Um, and I want what she has to offer." So as a business owner, tweak your marketing message, not to sell the benefit of your product or service, but address the pain points of your clients. Like, boom, you know what I mean? Like that is a huge lesson that I'm pretty sure a lot of people that are watching this may not even have thought of. Change your messaging and watch how people will automatically start coming to you. Now,
Right.
okay, you changed your marketing message. Um, what what prompted you to make that change? Is there a, I mean, outside of being, okay, I'm a business owner, I need clients in order for my business to continue being a business, but is there a particular resource that drove you to coming into that realization, or was it something that you came up with on your own?
Um, no, I didn't come up with it on my own. I have to invest in pushing to be able to, because my passion in getting into this um space was to help others, and I think I've not been able to achieve as much success as I would like. So I had to like go like invest in myself to actually know what is going on so I can actually fulfill my purpose of helping others. So I had to like invest in a coach to help me. And with the help of my coach, I've been able to like get to understand that I really need to talk to my clients in the language they understand. I've been able to understand I need to like eh, um directly talk to my patients and my clients in the way that is going to speak to their needs. That was how I get here.
Very good. So, okay, your marketing message is getting people to call you, right? Um, making absolutely no excuses, where we're not trying to hide anything from anyone. We can hear that you have an accent, right? And most people would hide behind that, or use that as an excuse to not have the courage to get your voice out there and make a difference. And I applaud you, wholeheartedly applaud you for having the courage to say, hey, you know what? This is what it is. I'm a real person. I have a sincere intent to help as many people as possible through the service that I have. And first and foremost, I applaud that. Congratulations for being that beacon of courage to be
Thank you.
able to tell people like it is what it is, but I've got the tools in my tool bag to help build your business and get not only the capital you need, but the resources to get you again to go from where you are to where you want to be. Congratulations. I applaud you. I can't tell you enough how much of an inspiration you are to me, but also maybe to other people that are watching this that may have some type of self-perceived handicap that, to be all honest, it probably makes really no difference, because at the end of the day, they're coming to you for a particular solution. And from what it sounds like, that solution is better than 95% of other brokers that are in the exact same space that don't have the accent that you have.
Thank you.
Awesome. So, Deborah, I guess kind of looking forward, what are what are some of your goals, your aspirations for growing and expanding your loan consulting space? Is there something that you're planning that's in the works that people that maybe not only in Spokane but maybe nationwide that may be watching this, is there something that they can look forward to that they know is going to be coming from Easy Abundance Capital?
Yeah, so we're planning on expanding the business, hire more people so we can reach more business owners across the country, and so we can be able to have a large capacity to reach more people, more business owner in the medical field. So in the future, we're planning on hiring and building a team and building a more stable business to be able to reach more business owners.
Okay, awesome. So I know right now you said you're looking in, or you're kind of concentrated in the medical space. Um, that's who you are trying to reach out to. But if I'm a business owner, I'm watching this, I love what I'm hearing. I want to contact Deborah. Do you have limitations if I'm a lawn care business owner, if I'm a auto repair shop, are you still able to help me being in a completely different industry, or are you limited to the medical space?
No, I'm not limited to the medical field. I just choose a medical field right now to start to work with, or I can help every other business owners in different industry, restaurants, construction, different kind of business owners. I have the capacity to help them because I work directly with different lenders and we have different options to help other businesses. So we are not limited just to the medical field. We are able to help other business owners.
Very good, very good. So, if where can people find you? Are you on, what's your website? What's your phone number? Are you on social media? Where can people find out more about you and Easy Abundance Capital?
So our website is easyabundancecapital.com, and we have Instagram account as Easy Abundance Capital. We also have LinkedIn page easyabundancecapital.com, and we also on Facebook where people can reach out to us.
Okay. And it's easy, like EASY, like the word easy abundance, or how are you spelling that?
EZ, Abundance Capital.
So the letter E and the letter Z.
Yeah, E as in echo, Z as in zebra.
Very good, very good. So there you got it, folks. That is the way to be able to reach out to Deborah. I'm telling you, as I open the call, like we have been working together over the last 2 months. I'm telling you this as a person. I'm not telling you this as an associate. I'm not telling you this as a referral partner. Deborah is really one of the most dedicated and hardest working people I've worked with in this industry, period. Like every single time we've had a task come up, and I called her, I'm like, hey, Deborah, I really need you to help me with this. You need to do X, Y, and Z. She comes back and she does W, X, Y, and Z. She has always done one more step more than what I have asked her to do in order for us to get a goal accomplished. So, folks, if you are in Spokane, Washington, if you are in the medical space and you need funding, but you have that one reserve because your credit is maybe not up to par, or maybe you've had a really bad experience working with some of these other jokers that are out there trying to just push really expensive loans, and you want to talk to someone that has a sincere heart and is really working towards getting your business up and going first and foremost, telling you folks, Deborah, Easy Abundance Capital is the number one solution for anyone in Spokane, Washington, and or in the medical field. So, Deborah, thank you for spending these last few minutes with me. Really, thank you for the last 2 months. You've really opened my eyes towards inspiration and to really taking advantage of opportunities that are right in front of you, despite your own self-perceived handicaps or whatever they are. You've affected my life in a very positive way. um and first and foremost, thank you for that. Secondly, if anyone else wants to get contacted and affected in a very positive manner, reach out to Deborah. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. So thank you. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem. So, folks, there you go. Again, Easy Abundance Capital. Reach out to her, give her a buzz, get in contact with her, follow us on social media, stay up to par with what she's got going on, the loans that she has to offer, and the problems that she can solve for you and your business. So, thank you, everyone, for joining us. I really look forward to spending even more time with you all, giving you information on the alternative lending space, the traditional lending space, and just overall tips and tricks to be able to get you and your business the funding that you need in order to grow and succeed in today's economy. So, again, my name is Jose with BDA Solutions on this very special episode of the Loan Broker Insider. Thanks again for joining me. Until next time, talk to you guys soon.